If you are looking for a way to convert text to audio, then this video is perfectly for you, because in this video, I am going to show you one of the best AI tools you can use to convert text to audio in seconds. Okay, so let's go. So now, first thing you need to do is to head over to any browser of your choice. So I'm going to be using Chrome for this. So you just have to go and search for 11 Labs. So you can see the first link here. Just click on it. You can see it is 11labs.io. So with this AI website, you can be able to convert any text to audio for free. But mind you, the free one have some limitations. So if you want to bypass the free tool, then you go for the pricing and check how much you can be able to pay to use this platform, as you can see. So now let me go back to their homepage again. So now for you to be able to convert any text to an audio. So if you check out here, you can see that you have the opportunity to use English, German, Polish, Spanish, Italian, French, Portuguese, and Hindi languages for your text to audio converted. Okay, so for this example, I'm going to use English. So I will leave it because the default is English. Now I'm going to come up with my text. So in your own case, you can also come up with your own text. As you can see, you can be able to come down here and choose the voice the AI will use in narrating or in explaining your text in audio form. So as you can see, if I play this one now, so the voice is Premed Adam.
Hey fans, are you lonely at the top? Then make sure you follow this page and subscribe to his YouTube channel.
Or you can decide to choose the voice of a lady by using Bella's voice.
Hey fans, are you lonely at the top? Then make sure you follow this page.
So now you have seen it. Once you're done and you are satisfied that this is the voice you want to use to narrate your text in audio form, then you go ahead and click here to download your audio. So now you can launch it open.
Hey fans, are you lonely at the top? Then make sure you follow this page and subscribe to his YouTube channel. As you do so, you will never be lonely again, but just money on your mind always. Big up.
So now you can see the audio is perfect. So this is how to convert a text to audio using a free AI tool called 11 Labs. So that's it for today's video. If you have any suggestion or you have any other AI tool you can use to convert text to audio, then let us know in the comment section. And otherwise, like and share this video. Follow me for more tips and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this, okay? So thank you for watching and see you guys in the next videos.